This is the very first video after my Greece vacation. It is in sequential order as far as the videos. However, as far as time, 4 to 5 weeks have gone by. This camera broke on the last day of my trip. It was not warranted. It actually took that long to be repaired. And that is the least of the avalanche of bad news. Okay, so let me tell you what's happened on this property since. When I got back, I met the contractor. Oh, the good contractor. Anyway, he came here and we had my plans and we had this conversation. And you know, I have been banging my head against the wall, these walls. I have been banging my head against the walls for upwards over a year. And he has come in and he has taken over and it's just like, you do not know you've been in a bad relationship until you get in a good one. And he came in and it's the first time someone has ever told me time. And he said, here, you're gonna go down to permitting, you're gonna apply, it could take 3 to 4 weeks. We're going to begin the end of October, the first week of November. Oh my God. He told me how long he believes the job is. Yeah, he is extremely professional. God, every time I meet him, I'm reconfirmed that he's the guy. It feels good. It feels good. I have been surrounded by, I don't think he's the guy. He is the guy. So I went down there. I had everything. I've been coached. He sent somebody there. We notarized papers. And anyway, I went down there. They chewed me up. It was like everyone was talking Japanese to me. Today's a big day. I also feel like I got 1 foot in kittens, feathers, ice cream, and rainbows. And I got 1 foot in rat poo and broken glass and sand spurs and sludge. The good news is it's rainbows and kitty cats first. I am going to the county this morning and applying for permitting for my property. Yeah. But if everything goes smooth, there is a possibility that before October ends, when November begins, there could be hammering and drywall at my house. What? What a ride it's been. Orange County services that I need permitting opens at 8. It is about 7:30, so I don't know if anybody waits out in line for this, but I will. Hey, wish me luck. That did not go well. Yeah. And it's frustrating, but I can't control this. This is what is. The acceptance of what is the hallmark of sanity. I know. I did not pass permitting. And I didn't pass permitting surrounded by professionals. Right. And translation, God knows what would have happened if I stayed on the other ship. Yeah. No. And I don't mean in a positive way. So, yeah, I did not pass permitting. Yeah, and there are some obstacles. Hear my voice right now? I sound okay, I guess. But the stories I'm talking about and what I'm flashing back to, I don't know what it was, but something like razor blades decided to take up residence in my throat. This is what I sounded like on my Instagram stories. 7:42. I'm sitting outside of a Centricare. I know I'm not a doctor person, but I need an antibiotic. I cannot do this on my own. I cannot do this on my own. Luke, Assert your feelings. You know it to be true. I'm getting a Z-Pack antibiotic. Doctor says it is not strep. Not strep. I think I'm allergic to bad news. And recently, it's rained. That is what was catching up with me on that Tuesday. I'll tell you what, Tuesday did a really good job erasing my entire trip. I run into people, how was your trip? I go, oh, my trip? Are you kidding me? My trip. Number one, it's filmed. Go watch it. And subscribe while you're at it. But number two, it's in the rearview mirror. What a ride it's been. I'm here to get my head straight and get all my information because later in the day, I have a court date. And that is the sludge, rat poo, broken glass, and sand spurs. I've got such good positive things happening that I can not get judgment today. I can lose and be a winner. I can be a winner by not having to deal with them. I asked the courts to give me clarity about my situation. The engineer, who at juvenile at best could not draw my house. And then the changes, well, he's not talking to you to make the changes. He's not talking, he doesn't return emails, texts, voicemails. What am I leaving out? Phone calls, yeah, he's not doing that. Other people have a history, there's a pattern. I went into that court and I decided I'm going to prove contract, promise, amount paid. Was it delivered? Was it delivered? It was not. Yeah, it was not. Can you see my face? Look at this. It's rash. You know what that is? Stress. Oh, I'm okay. But the fact is, it's that day. Yeah, so I guess this is where it ends. I'm going in there to find out. My star witness. My star witness. Angela, how did it go?
I think it went pretty well. I know you were at least a really large thorn in his side and made him uncomfortable, and he did stutter quite a few times.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, then he started trying to attack me.
Yeah, I don't know.
Funny. He's a dude.
I actually think it doesn't matter. Then that's a good feeling. And everything that I'm saying is 100% my truth. However, the court said that I did not prove my case. Yeah, case dismissed, verdict in the defendant. I have been in bed with cockroaches for so long. Don't you want to get out? I mean, don't you want to get out? Do you know losing that case was definitive? Losing that case was finite. Losing, you lost. It's over. It's over. Yeah. Do you realize if I won, that asshole was never going to pay? He's not going to pay. I'm going to have to garnish. I'm going to have to lean. I'm going to have to piss off marginalized people. All I have to say is he drives a Corvette. Done. I mean, what else can you say? He drives a Corvette. Yeah. So, you know, that happened. I don't have that money. That money is not coming back to me. That money is not going to the new engineers. It's not happening. Yeah, it's not happening. I was never getting it back anyway. The greatest thing about losing is you already lost. It actually feels good. I had 2 battles that way. That one, I have to respect the decision of the court. It's actually very easy because, you know what? I don't care. I really don't. That is not where my energy needs to go into. No. And if you've been in bed with cockroaches for so long, don't you just want to get out? I mean, you really do. At what cost? Any cost. Yeah, any cost. Because you know the greatest thing? Once I get out of bed with cockroaches, I'm still me. What's that mean? They're still them. They are still them. They're still them. They'll have to continue being them. And that, oh, I'm a winner. I'm a winner.